Have you ever wanted to grow your own tomatoes? Imagine biting into a juicy, ripe tomato that you've cultivated yourself. The taste, the health benefits, the sheer satisfaction of reaping what you've sown. Growing your own tomatoes can be a rewarding experience. Let's find out how. First things first, choosing the right variety is key to a successful harvest. Tomatoes come in all shapes and sizes, from the compact determinate to the sprawling indeterminate. For beginners, determinate types are often a great starting point. Choose a variety that suits your climate and your taste. Now let's prepare for planting. Once you've chosen your tomato variety, it's time to prepare for planting. The key to a fruitful harvest lies in nurturing the soil, selecting a sun-kissed location, and timing your planting just right. With the right preparation, your tomato plants will have a great start. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and plant your tomatoes. Begin by digging a hole deep enough to cover 2/3 of the stem. Space your plants about 2 feet apart to ensure they have room to grow. After planting, water them gently but thoroughly. Regular watering is crucial, as is staking your plants for support and pruning unnecessary leaves for better airflow. Remember, tomatoes love the sun, so make sure they get plenty of light. With regular care and attention, your tomato plants will thrive. After all your hard work, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest tomatoes when their color is even and fully developed. Gently twist and pull them off the vine. Store at room temperature away from direct sunlight. Enjoy the delicious taste of your homegrown tomatoes. Growing your own tomatoes can be a fun and rewarding experience. We've walked through the journey together, from choosing the suitable variety that caters to your taste and climate, to preparing your soil for planting. We've nurtured our tomato plants, providing them with ample sunlight, water, and care. And finally, we've reaped the fruits of our labor by harvesting ripe, juicy tomatoes. Gardening is a journey, not a destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.